The Bugatti Brouillard is a one-of-one hypercar unveiled in August 2025 during Monterey Car Week. It marks the debut of Bugatti's program Solitaire, an ultra-exclusive coach-building initiative that will produce a maximum of 2 unique vehicles per year. Engine and performance. It is powered by the legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing 1,578 horsepower, 1,600 horsepower. This represents the final evolution of the W16 platform used in the Chiron and Mistral. Design inspiration. The car is named after Brouillard, French for fog, which was founder Ettore Bugatti's favorite horse. Its organic, flowing surfaces are meant to mimic the muscular elegance of a thoroughbred. Exterior. Finished in a matte mossy green, it features a fixed ducktail rear wing, custom 5-spoke wheels inspired by the Bugatti horseshoe grille, and Veyron-inspired roof scoops. Interior. The cabin is visible through a large panoramic glass roof. It is characterized by green-tinted carbon fiber, Parisian woven tartan fabrics, and a gear shifter containing a miniature glass sculpture of a horse's head. Estimated value. While Bugatti has not officially disclosed the price, reports from the Quail and various automotive outlets estimate its cost at approximately $20 million.